Hey y'all, it's me, Aces, on my 2008 Kawasaki Mean Streak 1600. Your guys' favorite motorcycle is my Honda Shadow, not this bike. Because we kind of, I wouldn't say pigeonholed ourselves a little bit, but I mean, we did a lot of Shadow videos, so YouTube's kind of like, oh, you must be a Honda Shadow channel, so all your Honda Shadow videos are going to do really good. And all your Mean Streak videos won't do as good. But I'm out here today because I feel bad. I feel bad about this one. Because I haven't really ridden it as much. Not as much as the Shadow. Because, you know, that's my daily. She's my main girl. And this is my, every now and again, she's big, loud, and fun to ride kind of girl. Ah, jeez. In reality, I haven't ridden this bike in about a month. So, it's definitely time. And honestly, I still need more practice with it. I mean, I've noticed I'm a little more hesitant to kind of throw her big booty around than I am the Shadow. Of course, I've been on the Shadow for 3 years. I've had this since, I don't know, it's been 10 months now. Some of that was off season, so I couldn't really ride it. And then again, as far as like making content and stuff, the Shadow's gonna be the one that gets the clicks and the views anyway. And one of the other reasons I haven't really ridden her a whole much is this 1600cc. This thing gets hot. Like, if I stop at a freaking stoplight, my right leg is just cooking. Like, I got meat falling off the bone cooking, you know what I mean? It's hot. Which is liquid cooled, but still, them operating temps, that big giant freaking can of an exhaust on the side of this thing, golly, she gets toasted. This kind of thing right here, this is what I need more practice with. It's gonna be that highway stuff. Building up the endurance a little bit and just getting used to it. Because kind of what I've been doing is I'm kind of getting this in, let's call it travel mode, touring mode, whatever. In the Batwing, the Mustang seat, we had the cheap bags on there. I got Viking bags on here now. Those things are amazing. The quality difference is wonderful. And of course, it's not a question of whether the bike can actually handle highway cruising. Obviously it can. The question is this audio going to be worth it, and can I actually motovlog going 65 miles an hour? That's the question. Well, one of the questions. The other question is, can I do it? Can I sit on this bike for an extended period of time and not feel like I'm about to freaking keel over? And I'll tell you, that's not the Shadow anymore. Not with that bobber seat. No, 2 hours max, and I'm done. Then I feel it for like 2 days after. Maybe I need to eat more and I'll get more cushion on my backside, I don't know. Yeah, but I need to get myself in a good training regimen. I know a couple of you guys have suggested, you know, just ride out 2 hours, eat lunch, and ride back. Which actually, that's a great idea. I think an overnight trip would be fun if I could figure out where I want to go. And that's part of it too, is I'm just so freaking indecisive. Like, I just don't really know where I want to go. Then okay, let's say I ride the 2-3 hours to the beach, right? Okay, cool. Then what? Then what do you do? What do you do when you get there? And I know it's not the destination, it's the ride. Well, sometimes it's the destination, dude. Sometimes it's the destination. The dude over there. The person behind me probably doesn't know what's going on. That's why I put turn signals back on this bike. It didn't have any on when I got it, and you don't need them in North Carolina, but nobody knows what hand signals are. They think you're like waving at them or trying to figure out what the heck you're doing. Plus, they're not looking anyway. They're on their stupid phones. I mean, we all know they're on their phones. You know how I know car drivers are on their phones? Because when I'm in my car, guess what? Sometimes I'm on my phone, I'm not going to lie. Sometimes. But that's mainly changing music and trying to figure out what I want to listen to, which does take a minute again because, you know, I'm indecisive, but whatever. So other than being indecisive, I mean, if you guys will let me, you know, keep making excuses here for a little bit, it's kind of hot. like 90 plus. And I'm sure some of you guys are like, that's not hot, dude. Unless it's triple digit, it's not hot. But I'm going to use that as an excuse, because, I mean, good God, I mean, I don't want to be on this thing when it's freaking 95 all day, sun beating on you. That sucks. It's like if it's going to rain, I don't ride either. It's because I don't want to be uncomfortable. Because this is supposed to be relaxing and recreation. And I guess some of it, too, is, I just don't know what I'm doing. And that's always been my problems, like, for some reason, I think I'm going to do it incorrectly. I don't know why. Or I'm not gonna have a good time. If I try to film it, oh, that video's gonna suck. Stupid. And that is the wrong attitude to have, and I keep telling myself this, but I'm stubborn, and I don't listen. What I should do is I just need to get up in one morning and just go. That's what I should do. I should just stay on US 1 here and just go. I got nowhere to be for like 48 hours almost. Just go. But I can't. I can't do that. So I started thinking about that, and my brain goes, are you nuts? You can't do that. That's crazy. Anything could happen out there. Bigfoot could steal your beef jerky. I don't know. I think the problem is I'm so like ingrained with technology and crap now. I'm so freaking connected to the internet all the freaking time that if I were to go somewhere, I'd just be bored. Like camping and stuff would be cool. The thing is though, last time I went by myself was like freaking 8 years ago. It was extremely boring. Sitting there by myself doing nothing. It was kind of peaceful in a sense. But at the same time, it's kind of boring. I need constant stimulation in my brain. I guess. I don't know. It just kind of seems like a lot. Because going back to the overthinking, that kind of what kills the whole plan, the whole deal anyway. It's because I end up thinking about it too much. I end up overthinking about it way too much. And then when it comes time to do it, I'm just so tired and just exhausted already. Just don't have the energy. I also have like a very limited social battery too, so once that's kind of used up, that's kind of it. So even if I went with other people, I mean, once it gets to be, once I get there a couple hours into it, it's like, all right, man, I'm kind of ready to do my own thing, Let's see if we can get over here. Oh yeah, plenty of room for your buddy Lucky Aces. So hopefully a lot of that made sense. I mainly wanted to get the Mean Streak out because it's been a month since we've ridden this thing. But if you guys want to see more of this bike, you can check out this video right here. And as always, y'all be good. See ya.